Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the Snapdragon 845 going up against the Kirin 980, 8GB of RAM versus 6, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Mate 20 Pro finished first and overall it scored higher. In the breakdown of the categories, the Mate 20 Pro scored higher for the CPU, but the Mi 8 Pro scored higher for the GPU, and then the Mate 20 Pro scored higher for the UX and the memory. That wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching and I will catch up with you in the next video.